Hello friends, welcome to my new channel Rubik's World, and today in this video I will solve this axis time wheel Rubik's Cube. So this is our axis time wheel Rubik's Cube, and it is very difficult Rubik's Cube, and we can solve this cube some little bit like simple axis Rubik's Cube. So in this simple axis Rubik's Cube, we know that these are our center pieces and these four pieces are our edge pieces. So in simple axis Rubik's Cube, we have two single color edge pieces and two double color edge piece. In every side we have center, and also we have two single color edge piece and two double color edge pieces. Similar in this axis time wheel Rubik's Cube, we have same kind of situation. In this cube we have these center pieces. As you can see, this smaller piece, this blue and orange, so these are our center pieces, and these four pieces are our edge pieces. So similar in this cube we have two single color edge piece. For example, this is orange edge piece, so this is single color edge piece. Similar in this side we have blue edge piece, so this is also single color edge piece. And these two edge pieces, you can see in these two edge piece we have two colors. For example, this is blue and white edge piece, this is blue, orange and white. So in axis time wheel Rubik's Cube we have total 6 center pieces. So these smaller pieces are our center pieces. So this is our center, this is also our center, this is also center piece. So we have total 6 center pieces, and in every center piece we have 4 edge pieces. 2 edge piece we have single color and 2 edge piece we have double color. So from any side we can see this is our blue orange, so these two are single color edge pieces, these two are double color edge pieces. And in this axis time wheel Rubik's Cube, we will bandage this cube same like simple axis Rubik's Cube, but at the end we have another extra step. We have 6 hole in this axis time wheel Rubik's Cube. So you can see in every side we have these smaller extra parts, so we can rotate these pieces also like that. So this is our extra step when we solve our outer Rubik's Cube. So at the end we will solve these smaller parts. So in every small wheel we have center piece, these four we have edge pieces. As you can see, this is small cross, so this is our edge piece, and these are our 4 corner pieces. So these are small edge and corner piece, and these are bigger edge pieces, and these are our bigger corner piece. As you can see, this blue bigger piece, this is our corner piece. Similar this 3 color piece, so this is our corner piece. This red bigger piece, this is our also corner piece, this is also corner. So in this cube we have 3 this kind of corner piece and 1 this kind of corner piece. So now I will scramble this axis time wheel Rubik's Cube, and then we will solve this cube. So I have scrambled my cube. Now I will start to solve this cube. So when we solve this cube, so our first step we will make our cross same like that in this simple axis cube. As you can see, this is our cross. So we have two single color edge piece and we have two double color edge piece. Similar when we make in this cube our cross, so we will fix two single color edge piece and we will fix two double color edge piece. So we can start from any one center, and I will find any white center. Okay, so this is white and red center, and similar in this side we have white and green. It's mean in these two center we have white common color. It's mean we will fix in this position single white color edge piece. For example, this is our white edge piece. We will just simply rotate this piece like that. So you can see there is white, there is also white, and in this side we have white, but this is rotated because we need this bigger side on this left side and this smaller side we need to fix on this right side. So first we will keep this piece on this top layer, then take out of the way and bring this in down side like that. So now there is white, there is a white, so these two are matching. Now we will just rotate this center like that, and now we will match this white edge piece on this position and bring it down. Okay, so now we have fixed our this first edge piece properly. We have fixed our piece properly because we have smaller side on this right side and bigger side on this left side. Now we will just rotate cube in this position, and in this position we have red center, there is red color and there is also red. It's mean in these two center pieces we have red common color. It's mean we will fix red in this position. So we have already red available in this position, but this is also rotated because this red piece bigger side we need to fix in this right side and smaller side we need to fix on this left side. So rotate cube in this position, then bring this layer up and take out of the way. Okay, so first we will save this red edge piece on this position, and now we will bring this piece on this side, and if we rotate this center on this position, now we will match this red with this red and bring it down, and this white edge piece we will bring back. So same situation, we have rotated this red edge piece, so again we will rotate on this position and bring it in this top layer and take out of the way. So now we have red on this side, we will bring this red on this, and now we will rotate this center like that, and now we will match this red with this red center. So you can see this is matching properly, and bring it down. Okay, so in this time we have fixed this red piece properly because in this position we need to fix red, white and orange three color centerpiece, and you can see this is sample. You can see this is also matching properly. It's mean we have fixed these two edge pieces properly. Now rotate cube in this position, and in this side we have white color and there is blue and also orange. So we will check our next center. So in this side we have also blue. It's mean we will rotate this center like that. We match this blue on this side, and second blue we will place on this position, and this center we will match also blue on this position. So this is our color scheme. Now there is blue, there is white. It's mean in this side we will fix double color edge piece, blue and white edge piece. First I will find white and blue edge piece. So there is white and blue edge piece. First we will rotate this piece like that. I mean we will place this piece in this top layer. Then take out of the way, save in this position and again bring it down this layer. Okay, so now we will fix this white and blue edge piece on this position. It's mean we will save this white and blue on this side, and now we will rotate this center piece like that, and now we will match this white and blue edge piece with this center piece and bring it down. Okay, so we have solved our third edge piece. So this is done, this is done, this is also done, and now in this side we will fix our this red and blue edge piece, because there is blue, there is red color, because blue is matching with blue. It's mean we will fix on this position red and blue. So there is our red and blue. So we have blue color in top side. It's mean we will match this blue. So we will rotate this center in this side and rotate this layer like that and bring it down. Okay, so this is fixed, and now we will bring this center back. So we have complete our cross. As you can see from this center, red matching with red, blue matching with blue. Similar in this side, red match with red, and in this side we have also red. Similar, there is white, there is also white, and we have white edge piece. Similar, white and blue, so there is white and blue edge piece. So it's mean we have fixed our all four edge pieces properly. So this step we have complete. Now we will fix our corner pieces. In this side we will fix blue corner piece, so there is blue. So this is also available on this ideal position. We will just hold cube like that, and from this side we will apply algorithm R U R prime U prime, and you can see we have fixed our first corner. Rotate cube in this way, so there is green, we will replace with red. So first we will find our red. So in top side we have no red corner piece, so we have red on this side. First we will take out of the way, rotate in other way and bring it down. Now we have fixed our this red on this top layer, and now we will bring this layer in this position, and you can see this red we need to fix on this side. So we will place this corner on this top ideal position and apply same algorithm R U R prime U prime. So this is same like that, R prime D prime R D, R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime, and you can see we have matched our this corner piece properly. And now in this side we need three color corner piece, because there is red, there is white, and you can see we need three color red corner piece on this position. So first we will find on top layer. Okay, so there is white, green and red. So we need to fix this corner on this side. We will replace these two. So place this piece on this side and apply R prime U prime, R prime U prime, and you can see we have done our third corner piece. Similar, we need white corner piece, so we have available white, but this is rotated, so we will just apply algorithm and we will match this piece properly. R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime and U prime. And now you can see we have solved our this first layer, and we have also fixed our 4 corner pieces and also our edge pieces. So this step we have complete. So now our next step, first we will match these centers properly. For example, if we hold cube from this position, so you can see this red also matching with this edge piece, because they both are in same position. So this is matching properly. There is white, so we will just rotate this center like that. So now you can see we have matched our white with white properly. So this is fixed. There is blue, so blue is also matching properly. There is also blue, so we will first rotate this blue. We will rotate this smaller centerpiece portion like that. Okay, so we have matched this center with this. So now we have arranged our these center pieces properly, and now we will fix our this middle layer. Same simple axis Rubik's cube. For example, there is orange, in this side we have white, so we need to fix in this position white and orange edge piece. First I will find on this top layer, so we have no any white and orange edge piece, so our white and orange we have on this position, but first we will fix in this position. So there is blue, there is also blue, we will fix blue single color edge piece. So we have blue piece on this position, so we will also leave this. So there is yellow, there is red, we need to fix yellow and red edge piece on this position. So we have available yellow and red edge piece. So in down side we have yellow color, so we will place this edge piece on this yellow color. Now we will match this piece from left side algorithm. So place piece on this side and apply left side algorithm. U R U prime R prime. So you can see we have fixed these two pieces properly. Then U prime L prime U and L. So one edge piece, middle layer edge piece we have fixed properly. So there is green, there is also green. It means we will fix green edge piece on this side. So we have green on this position, so green is matching from this position. It's mean we will also fix this piece from left side. So U R U prime R prime. So you can see this is not matching properly. So we will reverse our algorithm and we will fix this piece on this proper position, and we will fix this piece from right side. It's mean we will apply algorithm, our right side algorithm. So our right side algorithm is U prime L prime U L. So these two are fixed properly. U F U prime and F prime. So we have fixed our second middle layer edge piece. Now first we will take out this blue edge piece and fix on this side, and this white orange fix in this position. So we will replace with any extra edge piece. We can replace with this. So same right or left algorithm we can apply, and we can replace our piece from any extra edge piece. Okay, so now you can see we have free our blue piece. So this is our blue edge piece we need to fix on this side, and this white orange we will replace. So first we will try from, if we try from left side, U R U prime R prime. So you can see this is not matching. So we will just reverse our algorithm, bring it down, and now we will apply algorithm from right side. So U prime L prime U L U F U prime and F prime. So this blue we have fixed properly. Now we have left with orange and white. So there is white and orange. So in this down side we have white. So we will try from left side algorithm. So match white with white and apply U. We will apply left side algorithm. U R U prime R prime U F U and F prime. So this is done, this is also done, this is also done, and this is also. It means we have solved our second layer. Now we will solve our third layer. So in this cube we have third layer some little bit tricky. So first we will check our these four edge pieces, same like simple axis Rubik's cube. For example, this is green and orange. So there is orange, there is green. So if we check cube from this position, so these two are smooth. This small center and this bigger edge piece, they are matching properly. It's mean this green and orange piece in their proper place. Now we will check this yellow. So if we place yellow on this side, so you can see this is not matching properly because they are not smooth. We will leave it and we will check this orange. Rotate this orange, and in this position you can see orange is also not matching. We will check this yellow and green. So in this side we have green color, in this side we have yellow. So this is also matching properly. So I mean green and yellow, and this orange and green. Okay, so these two edge pieces are matching properly. It means we have 3 by 3 same like L shape. So we will place these two pieces like small L, and from this position we will apply algorithm F R U R prime U prime F prime. We have complete algorithm. Now again we will check our piece. So this orange is also matching properly. We will check this green and yellow. So this is not matching because yellow piece we have on this top side. So this edge piece is rotated. We will check this yellow. Okay, so you can see this yellow piece is matching with this center properly. It means this yellow and this orange green, these two are matching properly. So this is our same 3 by 3 Rubik's cube straight line. So we will hold cube like that. We will place these two piece in this position and apply F R U R prime U prime F prime. And now we will check our pieces. So this yellow matching with this center yellow properly. So there is orange and green. So this is also matching with this orange properly, you can see. So this is single orange. We will rotate this orange and match with orange. So you can see this orange is also matching with this orange properly, and there is yellow and green. Okay, so you can see this is green, this is yellow, so they are also matching properly. It means we have fixed our all edge pieces matching properly. So we will place any one edge piece in front of match with this center and apply our algorithm, and we will place all 4 edge pieces properly. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So this is same simple axis Rubik's cube technique, and now this is on proper place, and you can see our all remaining edge piece are not matching properly. So again we will place this edge piece on top this front side and apply R U R prime U R U2 R prime. And now if we check, so this is fixed, this orange is also fixed, and these two are not matching properly. So again you can see these two are matching properly. It's mean again we have our L shape. So again hold cube like that and apply FRU. So in this position we have some little bit tricky situation. So we must need to fix our 4 corner piece properly. Okay, so we have apply our algorithm. So this is matching properly, this green is also matching properly, and you can see we have straight line. Again hold cube like that and apply same algorithm F R U R prime U prime F prime. And now we will check. So this is yellow and green, so this is matching with this yellow, matching with this yellow center properly. This single yellow we will check. So this is also matching. This orange we will check. So orange is also matching properly. We will check this green and orange. So this is also matching with this properly. So now we will place any one edge piece in front of us and apply our algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So this is done, this orange is done, this yellow is also done. Sorry, this is not matching properly because this is rotated. So again you can see this is matching properly, this is also matching. So again we will hold cube like that and apply F R U R prime U prime F prime. So now we will check this is matching properly, this green is also matching, this yellow we will check, yellow is not matching, it's mean these two are matching properly. So again hold cube like that and apply same simple axis Rubik's cube technique F R U R prime U prime F prime. So we have complete our algorithm and now we will check our edge pieces. So this orange we have already matching properly, so there is green and yellow, so this is also matching, so there is also yellow, this is also matching, there is green and orange, so green and orange is also matching properly. Okay, so now we will place this piece on in front and apply R U R prime U R U2 R prime. Again because yellow is matching and other edge piece are not matching properly. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So now we will check our all and we have complete our algorithm and this is green and orange, so green is matching with green, so this is this edge piece we have fixed properly. There is orange, so this orange is matching with this orange properly, this is also done. There is yellow, there is also yellow, so we have fixed also this piece on proper place and also this green is matching properly. So this is some little bit tricky situation, so sometime we can face trouble, but this is same like simple axis Rubik's cube. So now we have fixed our all four edge pieces properly and now we will match our these corner pieces. So first we will find if any one corner piece is matching on their proper place. So in this side we need green, there is yellow, this is not matching. So you can see this is orange color, this is also orange and we have also orange center, so this is all, this is on its proper place. It's mean we have find one corner piece on its proper place. So we will hold cube like that and apply algorithm U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. So this is matching properly and you can see we have no any other corner piece matching. So again we will hold cube like that and apply again algorithm U, and maybe in this time we will match our all corner pieces R U prime L prime U R prime U prime and L. Okay, so you can see there is green, so this is in proper place. Yellow is proper place. There is yellow, orange, blue, so this is also fixed properly. So we have fixed our all corner piece on its proper place. We will just rotate these pieces. So we can start from any one. So hold cube like that and apply same 3 by 3 Rubik's cube trick. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. So you can see we have fixed this piece properly. Just take out of the way. Try from any other piece. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. So this is also fixed properly. Take out of the way. Try from this piece. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. So this is also done. Again rotate like that and try from this. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. So we have complete our algorithm. Okay, and now you can see we have bandage over this axis wheel Rubik's cube. So we have solved our this axis wheel Rubik's cube in on its proper cubing shape. Now we will solve these small middle parts. So these small middle parts I will solve in its second part. So I will show in my second video that how we will solve these small pieces.